I'm gonna go in with a 9-round lighter. And now I'm gonna go in with a 13 mag shader. That's my usual go-to for shading and coloring. And as you can see, the configuration is kind of curved at the corners. So it's not flat across like a regular mag, it has a slight curve along the edge of the needles. And that's ideal for shading. That's not really ideal. That's not really ideal for like color packing, but you can do it if you have experience. And I'm just paying attention to where the tip of my needle is as I'm bringing it in to make sure I don't go outside of these lines. And we're doing tight motions. I'd rather you leave some cushion on the outside of the line before you go on the inside of the line before you go outside of the line, if you get what I'm saying. Because you can't erase. And after we color all of this in, we're gonna go back in with our liner to hit the small nooks and crannies. And we're working on an orange, guys. If you're watching these videos, you probably shouldn't be on skin, especially if you're not under the supervision of an experienced artist. Trying to apply some of these techniques in real life situations, you can really hurt somebody if you don't know what you're doing. So if you notice, I didn't even get and try to get in this corner. Gonna go back in with my liner. I'm gonna hang out the needle quite a bit so I can really see where I'm going. I'm not gonna hit with the whole needle, just the tip of the needle. We're coloring in. See that? You want to be careful not to damage the orange too much. It shouldn't look too chewed up in any of the areas. Your orange shouldn't be bleeding all over the place.